How are you all? I am Naresh Rathod, your economics teacher. So, dear students, in the present session, we will study about chapter 6 of macroeconomics, that is banking. In the previous session, you have been told about the uh, commercial banks and Reserve Bank of India, and you have also uh, been told about the functions of commercial banks. But in the present session, we will study about working of money creation by commercial bank. Money creation means the commercial bank uh, accept deposit from the public, and from that deposit some required part is kept by the commercial bank with it, but remaining part of that amount is given by commercial bank to the public as a loan. So we'll discuss about the money creation by the commercial banks in this present session. So the capacity of commercial banks to create credit depends on two factors. The first factor is amount initial fresh deposit. So fresh deposit is also known as primary deposit. The deposits of households and firm held by a bank are called primary deposits. And second one is on which money creation is depend, which is done by commercial bank. The second factor is LRR, that is called legal reserve ratio. It is the fraction of deposits of commercial banks which is legally compulsory for the commercial banks to keep in the form of cash, or that is called CRR, cash reserve ratio, and liquid assets, that is called SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, as reserve. Liquid assets means the assets which can be converted into cash. Total money creation. There is a formula by which we can know that how much amount can be created by the commercial bank, that is called money creation. So there is a formula in total money creation equal to initial deposit into 1 upon LRR, that is called legal reserve ratio. So dear students, let us suppose that every bank has to keep a cash reserve of 20%. It means there is a um, required legal reserve ratio, that is 20% against its total deposits, and its primary deposit is rupees 1000. So we consider that there is a 1000 which is primary deposit with commercial banks. So now we will know the process how commercial bank will create credit. Steps of working of credit creation by a commercial bank. Number 1, we assume that initial deposit in the bank is rupees 1000 only. Second, minimum reserve requirement or legal reserve ratio is assumed to be 20%. So we can know that how many or we can say that how much money will be created by the commercial bank. Total money creation will be primary deposit into L1 upon LRR. So primary deposit is 1000. So we will find out the conclusion that 1000 into 1 upon 20%, that will give us 5000. So if primary deposit is 1000, then commercial bank will be allowed to create 5000, or it is 5 times of primary deposit, because primary deposit was 1000 and 5000 is the 5 times of primary deposit. The working of money creation process is summed up the following table. So we can understand about this process using this table. So there is round transactions, deposit, legal reserve ratio, and loan. So dear student, in the first round, the 1000 that is primary deposit in the commercial bank, and legal reserve ratio is 20%, and 200 is the 20% of 1000, and we will subtract 200 from 1000, that is primary deposit, and it will give 800. So 800 will be the loan amount which will be given by the commercial bank to the consumers. So now, because commercial bank always give loan not in cash, always commercial bank will provide check to the person who is taking loan from the commercial bank. Again, in the second round, that check will be deposited by the person or concerned person in the bank, that is 800. And now 20% of 800 will be kept by the commercial bank with it, and 640 rupees will be given as a loan. And in the third round, 640 will be deposited in the bank again, and 20% of it, that is 128 rupees, will be kept by the bank as legal reserve requirement. It is 20% of 640. So now 512, that is remaining amount, it will be given as loan. Now in the fourth round, 512 will be deposited by the person who is taking loan. So 20% of it will be kept in the bank, and 409.6, it will be the loan amount which is done by the commercial bank. And in the fifth round, 409 will be again deposited in the bank, and 20% of it will be kept in the bank as LRR, and 327.68 will be given as loan. So this process will continue till legal reserve requirement uh, is not reach up to 1000. So we will know the process how the commercial bank create money. So but in the beginning we can know that how uh, much money will be created by the commercial bank as money creation. So we will use the formula primary deposit into 1 upon LRR, that is the total money creation by the commercial bank. So we can say that it shows that if LRR is 20%, then with primary deposit of 1000 rupees, a commercial bank will be able to create 5000 worth of rupees deposit.